Hey guys, G Loves Trains here, and today I'm off for a day out in Lancaster. Heritage city in the county of Lancashire, northwest England. From its renowned castle to picturesque views across the River Lune. Today we shall be exploring the main tourist attractions and discovering what this quirky city has to offer. Wow. You join me now at Wigan North Western, just waiting for my train to Lancaster. It should be a sexy northern train. We're on sexy 195 122 and I'm gonna enjoy a lovely back massage. Been to Lancaster Station before when changing trains or filming trains, but it's one of those places that's stuck in my head as somewhere I must come back to. Hence I've decided to make this travel vlog. So we're going to venture outside of the station and go and have a proper nosy around the place.
Gotta chase the morning sun. When I see you smile, I'm feeling free. Step inside my life of fantasy.
It was time to kick my legs into action and make my way up the hill to our first location. Nice little workout for your legs there. And oh my days, it's raining, it's windy, the umbrella's probably going to be coming out soon. Gonna watch me holes. Lancaster Castle. First used as a prison, this medieval castle now runs guided tours to the public. I think the rain gives it character. What do you reckon? Let's go with that. On to the next attraction. This is Lancaster City Museum. Look at this Georgian building. I'm not the biggest history fan myself personally, but if history's something you're into, then you may well want to come and give this museum a visit. I ventured through the city centre on the hunt for me fave. A little Sainsbury's. I love a little Sainsbury's, me. So I'm just walking past the town hall and the Queen Victoria Memorial because I'm actually just on my way to Williamson Park. I'm a big kid, me, love a park, and it looks like we're clambering uphill again. Yay!
When you're here, you'll never want to go. Put your faith in something you don't know.
Tell you what, the people of Lancaster must develop very strong leg muscles. But made it to Williamson Park and it's very pretty around here.
Gotta run into the light. Gotta chase the morning sun.
Oh my days. That is spec-bloody-tacular. Look at that! Situated here right at the top is this monument, and this is the Ashton Memorial, built by Lord Ashton in remembrance of his wife Jessie. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably the most impressive looking building I have ever seen. Right at the top of rainy Lancaster. Cue the park montage. They're a bit slippy those because of the rain. Do you know what? I am absolutely enthused right now. As lovely as it is looking at old buildings, I prefer flowing water. So I'm gonna go now for a walk along the Lancaster Canal Yes, I'm ducking behind a tree at the moment. Shove the rain. No, because the Earth's round. Right, made it onto the Lancaster Canal now. It is raining, my umbrella is broken, and I'm just having my arm ache for no bloody reason now. But I do love a canal walk, me, not gonna lie. And this should take us, if I make it, to the Loon Aqueduct, which should make for a very beautiful shot.
When I see you smile, I'm feeling free. Step inside my life, a fantasy. When you're here, you'll never want to go. Put your faith in something you don't know.
The striking Loon Aqueduct. What you see here is the algae-full Lancaster Canal being carried over the River Loon. There was also a really funky smell in the air, and no, it wasn't my fart. I made my way through what felt like an obstacle course in the woods to find the nearer perfect view I was after. I think I'm just used to really long walks because it's so odd to see where we've just walked all the way along the canal, across the aqueduct. And I'll tell you what, I thought it would take a bit of time, but it feels as though it's taken no time at all. From here, I headed southwest along the river to catch sight of yet another piece of beauty. And here it is, the Millennium Bridge. It's basically a footbridge taking you across the river. But it looks magnificent and wet. So just as I turned my head away from the Millennium Bridge over there, I caught a sight of something very, very sexy. No, there aren't mirrors along this footpath, but there is a bridge, and up on that bridge I saw a sexy Nova 195 go across. It is the railway line, and I also see people up on that bridge. So the train enthusiast in me wants to go and take a look. Well, here we are up on top of the bridge, and yeah, you can walk right alongside the railway line there. Listed buildings to flowing water. Today I took a tour around the cultural city of Lancaster. Scattered throughout the city, the main sights have captivated me, and despite coming away with squelching wet feet, it has been a true delight. And one particular monument, as well as sincerely blowing me away, has overlooked us the entire day.
The fantasy.
Back at Lancaster Station now after my day out in Lancaster, or as it should probably be known, rainy Lancaster. I tell you what, I am chuffed I have come here today. I've been and visited all the different locations that I wanted to go and check out. It has been an absolute joy almost being a tourist in Lancaster. So thank you very much for watching. From me and from Lancaster, squishy boo!